Hi, welcome to our product. Firstly, do you want to help nature? And also, do you want to be healthy? Look no further, here's our product, BioBirdNest. Hi, I'm Sona, and this here is BirdNest. It's an organic beverage that comes from the edible BirdNest Swiss. And this contains beneficial nutritions. And I'll show you the benefits right now. And now I'll show you how to do it. Firstly, you hit and twist. Feeling unhealthy and craving a balanced diet? Look no further, drink BioBirdNest. Huh? The amino acid can help you lose weight.
Wow.
It makes you feel refreshed and new. Lazy to work out? Have no power? Look no further, drink BioBirdNest. The BirdNest contains proteins in it, so can you exercise to your full extent. Not comfortable with your own skin or having face breakouts? And don't want to gain any weight? Well, look no further, drink BioBirdNest. The drink contains collagen, which improves your skin and mood. It's refreshed and makes you feel like a new person. Having issues with studying or creativity block? Here, your healthy solution. Drink BioBirdNest. The drink contains magnesium and minerals that can help you focus on your studies. To conclude, the drink contains proteins, amino acids, magnesium, minerals, and collagen, in which it can help you lead a healthier lifestyle. Order now or follow us on social media.